Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you this procedure on how you can use separate audio tracks in OBS Studio. If you want to separate audio tracks in OBS Studio, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So what you here have to do is you want to select the scene in OBS, after which you have to create a new source. So first of all, you want to go ahead and select the scene and then go ahead and create a new source. So as you do it, so what next you need to do is select applications audio capture. Then you simply want to go ahead and name the source, then click the OK button. After which you want to set the window to the application you want to capture audio from. Then you want to set window match priority, match title, otherwise find windows of the same executable as well. Then you want to simply go ahead and click the OK button. And once you've actually done, moving on to the next split, then you want to split audio track for recording. Here what you have to do is go to the OBS output settings and then set the output mode for advanced. Then you want to switch to the recording options, set the audio track you want to record, after which you have to apply and close the settings as well. Then you want to open the advanced audio properties via the audio mixer, and what you need to do is you want to set what audio source you want to be heard on each track. If you are sure about it, click on the OK button to confirm your options. This is how you could do it. And if you want to go ahead and split audio tracks for streaming, you just want to head to OBS output settings and you want to set the output mode for advanced like I did before, and find the audio track options under the streaming tab and choose the track to be used for streaming. And Twitch streamers can also use or choose to enable the selected off VOD track as well. And that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.